New blue lock codes, new update, new content. We got SAE and SHIDOU rework. They will rework the sets of SAE and SHIDOU inside of this update, which is actually already out. The new codes are released as well. If you go over to the codes, you can simply redeem every single one of them. Follow along so you don't miss out on any future codes. Subscribe as well. Charalo. Where is Charalo? Wait. First code is going to be very simple. RECTW exclamation point CHM. Then the first code that you want to redeem is chemical reaction W, which is the first code. Chirallo, Ronaldo, Blue Lock, unofficial fans. Chemical reactions that have changed. Hiroi, Azisagi, and SAE and SHIDOU. And in this week's update, we already got the teaser. Oh, without exclamation point. You do not put the exclamation point. If you put the exclamation point, it will simply not work. W teamwork, as well as chemical reaction W. The next code is SAE rework. SAE rework. SAE rework. Just like this, exactly like this. Also subscribe and like for future codes. If you want Robux, I'm gifting Robux away today, right now. Comment a heart emoji if you want some Robux. I'm gifting Robux to my subscribers every single day of the week. The next code is going to be very simple. SHIDOU. SHIDOU rework. This is the next code. We got SHIDOU rework.